So what we got going on this morning is a Ram 2500 new body style with a diesel. We are doing a, if I'm not mistaken, a 4-inch BDS lift with radius arms, dual rate coils, Fox shocks, all that stuff. If you look over here, we got some fuel vapors, 20s, that we're wrapping in Ironman's 37 1250 or 1350, I can't remember. But the only reason we're running these tires is because, well, one, there's no 37s out there, and two, they're the only 80 PSI tires that we can find. And if anybody's listening right now, all the 37s out there, if there is any, which there's a big shortage of, they're all 65 PSI tires, which will set off the TPMS sensors if it's not in that threshold of over about 70 PSI, if I'm not mistaken. So that's what we got going on this morning. So stay tuned, check it out.
Big Red is out of the shop now, finally all done with this thing. The guys made pretty quick work of this guy. So as Nate said earlier, this thing's got a BDS 4-inch lift kit on here with the Fox 2.0 shocks, and it does have the BDS radius arms on there as well. For wheels and tires, we did the 20x9 fuel vapors and the DDT finish, which is that deep dark tint. Kind of gives it a nice little touch during the day when light hits it, but at night it looks black. Pretty slick look, very popular finish. And then, like he said earlier, it's wrapped in the Ironman Country MTs. Not a tire that we run a lot of, to be completely honest. It's one of the lower priced tires, and it reflects that, to be completely honest. But 37, 12, 50, 20s are one of the hardest tires sizes to find tires in right now. So we can't run a lot of what our typical ones would run, like the Toyos, the Nittos, Falcons. I mean, we're real hard to find stuff right now. So this is kind of what we got left with on this one. I'm sure we'll probably be changing these out at some point once there's more availability that comes from it. So other than that, pretty good looking truck. I think this thing sits absolutely perfect for it. So not too big, not too small, just right.